Welcome to MURA FC. You see how this this t-shirt color look like. Just a simple steps that you're gonna take to make this beautiful color. Yep, it is what it is. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Click on notification bell so anytime I post a video, you'll be notified that I posted a video. Then you come and enjoy what I've posted. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So let's get started. You just have to measure the neck. So after getting the neck is 18. The fabric is being folded into two like this. This is the wrong side. I fold it into two like that. Then I measure 4 inches. You can measure 3.5 inches, depend. And the length is 18, so I added 1 inch to it, making it 19. All you gotta do is you have to put facing on half of the fabric, just on half part of it, as I'm doing. Then you give it a press iron. It's MURA FC, it is what it is. Just a simple steps. Then you're gonna make this beautiful t-shirt color. There are so many ways. Of making a t-shirt color. The color of it. There are so many ways. This is one part of it. This is one way that you can make a color. Then we're gonna fold it back again, just like that. We'll give it an iron, press it. Then we're gonna fold it again like that. It's MURA FC, it is what it is. So look at where I'm gonna make it. So I measure 1.5. This is where I'm opening. I measure 1.5. Then I measure 1.5 like that. Just to form like 90 degrees. So you can see, I just draw a straight line on top like that. Then I cut it out. Just simple like that. So this is how it's gonna turn out. So I'm gonna trim a 1/4 inch from that angle, making a curve. It is not a straight line. It's not a straight line. It's a curve. This is a perfect way to make this color. Some people cut it straight away, but the best way is to do it this way. Then hold on 4.5 inch. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Tell a friend. Subscribe to this channel, click on notification bell so anytime I post a video, you'll be notified that I post a video. So let's get to the machine. The place that I folded 1/2 inch, I'm just sewing on top of it. Then I fold it like that. You can see how I'm doing it. Just pay attention and follow the steps. Then you make a curve. Do the same thing to the other part. We're joining them together. It's MURA FC, it is what it is. MURA FC is where greatness happens. So we just have to cut the edges. Make sure you don't cut through the thread. You make a notch in that angle. Then you're gonna flip everything over. So simple. You take your time at that angle. Then you give it a press. Just iron it. So after that, I just have to take the t-shirt. That's the wrong side, so I'm going to start from the wrong side. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment. It is what it is. It's MURA FC. It's where greatness happens. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about MURA FC. So you just have to take your time. You can go straight away to the edge, but I always like when I get to the middle part of it, then I stop. Then I'll begin to other part of it. One thing I gotta say, that keep doing what you're doing. Even if people gonna like it, some will not going to like it. If no one is liking it, keep doing what you're doing. As time goes, people gonna understand what you're doing. Just keep on pushing up your goal, keep on pushing up your dream. There's not everybody that's gonna support you in lifeline. There's nobody that can understand you what you're doing. So after joining it together, just have to flip it back. We are going to work on the right side of the fabric now. You pull everything inside like that. Then you sew on top of it. So we're done. After sewing on top, hey, you are done. There is a easy, the simplest way of making a collar. Just have to make some notches out there. You take your time, make sure you cover the thread. You know, when we join it for the first time, the thread will come outside like that. So when you are covering, you need to cover the thread with than allowing the thread to show. The first one we join. I hope you understand what I mean. Alright, hey, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment, tell me what you think. It's MURA FC. So after joining it, you just have to go across it. It's gonna show on top of everything. Just like that, so simple, so beautiful. You can see how beautiful that thing has to be. Just sew on top of it. So simple, like babies. So we done. Color has been made, t-shirt has been made. So you just have to fold it like that and give it the iron. We're done. Thank you for watching. I will appreciate your time for watching. It's MURA FC. Keep on supporting. We out.